Shandong Youtai Machine Tool Manufacturing Co., Ltd. YOTMT stands as a pivotal player in the high-tech industry, synthesizing scientific research with manufacturing pros to deliver comprehensive solutions for machine tool needs. Our company is not only an entity that produces machinery but also actively engages in the creation of innovative products through rigorous research and development. R&D efforts. This dedication to special purpose machine tools and combined machine tools has resulted in a diverse product portfolio that caters to the diverse demands of modern industrial processes. Our commitment to excellence extends beyond just producing machinery. We are dedicated to ensuring our production lines and technology are at the forefront of the industry. By utilizing state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques, our products have found widespread application across various sectors, including aerospace, automobiles, energy generation, and construction machinery. These applications highlight our capability to adapt and meet the ever-evolving needs of industries worldwide. Furthermore, our company's success is underpinned by its compliance with international quality management standards. Having achieved ISO 9001 certification, we have demonstrated our ability to consistently provide high-quality products that meet customer expectations and industry standards. This recognition is complemented by numerous national honors and patents, which testify to our innovation in the field of CNC machine tool design, control systems, and intelligent manufacturing technologies. Collaboration plays a significant role in our growth strategy. We have established fruitful partnerships with numerous universities and research institutes, fostering a culture of knowledge exchange and technological advancement. Through these collaborations, we participate in cutting-edge science and technology projects that contribute to both the commercial viability of our products and the broader societal good. Looking ahead, Shandong Youtai Machine Tool Manufacturing Co., Ltd. yet remains committed to fostering relationships with partners who share our vision of innovation and excellence. Together, we aim to create a future where our shared passion for engineering excellence drives progress and prosperity. On a global scale,